Hi, I'm Georgina and I'm a Hobbycraft artisan. In this video I'm going to show you how to decoupage using different materials. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need a selection of items to decoupage, acrylic paints and a brush, Decoupage glossy glue, Decoupage paper, coloured paper, creative hole punch. Choose your decorative papers and either tear or cut them up into pieces. The smaller and more intricate the base, the smaller the pieces of paper will need to be. Spread the glue onto the area to cover in small sections and place a piece of decoupage paper over the top. Cover the paper in a generous amount of glue and repeat until the entire shape is covered. Leave to dry. This can take up to 3 hours. Paint the mache letter with your chosen paint. You may need to do 2 coats. Leave to dry. Punch some big and small circles out of the tissue paper. You can do a few sheets at once to create lots of circles quickly. Top tip: use a piece of copy paper folded over the tissue paper when you are punching the holes. This will stop the tissue jamming up the cutter. Spread decoupage glue on the letter and apply the circles. They look really fun layered up like they've been scattered. Apply a layer of the glue with a brush on top of everything to finish. Paint the can with either a primer or an acrylic paint. You may need 2 coats depending on the colour. Leave to dry. Choose your decoupage paper and cut around the elements of the design that you want to apply to the can. Working with small areas at a time, paint the can with decoupage glue and then apply the decoupage design to it. Repeat until it is all stuck down, smoothing as you go. Brush a layer of decoupage glue or varnish on top and leave to dry. You could also draw onto the can with a marker for an extra pop of colour. Place the front of the house onto the part of the decoupage paper that you'd like to use and then draw around it. Carefully cut out the shape. Apply the decoupage glue to the front of the house, then stick on the paper. Once in place, smooth over with your hand. Apply another layer of glue to seal it, leave to dry. Paint the roof and any other parts of the house as you wish and leave to dry. Repeat with another coat of paint if necessary. For a different look, decoupage the roof and outer piece of the house and paint the inner part instead. Add any details you'd like with a fine paintbrush or acrylic pens. Go to hobbycraft.co.uk to book a workshop, find your next craft project or learn a new skill. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. We'd love to see your comments and we'll see you soon for another video.